In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for travel season trends fast and easy. Google Trends is a powerful tool that can help you identify the rising and falling popularity of different travel searches over time. Whether you're a blogger, a marketer, or just someone who loves to travel, understanding these trends can be incredibly useful. So let's dive in and explore how you can leverage this tool to better plan your travel content or itinerary. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Once you hit enter, you should see Google's results page come up. You'll want to click on the first link that appears, which will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. Once you've landed on the homepage, your next step is to click on the Explore option. This will take you into the section where you can delve deeper into specific trends. Now, before you start searching for trends, take a moment to brainstorm some travel-related keywords. Think about seasonal or destination-based terms. Some examples might include summer vacation, winter travel destinations, spring break trips, or holiday travel deals. Having a list of keywords ready will make it easier when you're exploring the trends. Once you've decided on a keyword, type it into the search bar at the top of the page. As you type, Google Trends will start displaying an interest over time chart. This chart is crucial because it shows when search interest for that keyword typically rises and peaks each year. After you've typed your keyword, go ahead and press Enter to view the trend graph in more detail. Now you want to customize your search a little more by filtering the data. Use the filter options at the top of the page to set your location and time range. For location, consider targeting your market, whether that's a specific country or worldwide. For the time range, you can choose the past 12 months to observe current trends or look at the past 5 years to get a sense of long-term interest. As you scroll down, you'll find sections on related topics and related queries. These sections are invaluable for broadening your research as they highlight broader travel categories or rising searches like cheap summer flights or best fall destinations. This helps you identify timely content and promotional ideas. If you're interested in comparing different keywords, there's a plus compare button available. This feature allows you to add other travel-related terms, providing a side-by-side view of which seasons or destinations are trending more. Finally, take some time to analyze the results provided. Absorb the information and consider how these trends can inform your travel planning or content strategy. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to use Google Trends for travel seasons.